Hello everyone and welcome back to Real Life Unboxing. In today's episode we got another Beast Boxes unboxing. Right here I got the free box once again, and I've been doing this for a while now since I uploaded my first Beast Box video. Like it says right there in the top right, I've got $1, which is exactly what we left off with last time. But as I said in my last video, I would be doing all the daily free boxes. And right here in my rewards, right here on the right side, you can see everything that I have gotten so far. A bunch of the Just Do It stickers, Stay Focused, the RIP, like that Bape Shark Tornado, well, Torpedo sticker, actually. I said tornado, wow. Laser pointer, that one's got a $3 value on it, so it's actually the most valuable thing that I've gotten from the free boxes so far. But we're going to go ahead and sell everything and see exactly what I've gotten from the free boxes. So let's go ahead and start that first. And then I will spin the wheel, which is on the left side of the screen right now where it says fire in the hole. We'll go ahead and spin that here in a little bit. But right now, let's go ahead and sell all these items. Get every one of these pieced out so we can get all of our balance up. And go ahead and start buying some of the other boxes that they have available as well. So let's check that out and continue selling these items one after the other. Checked it already. It must have been a while back since I got this. Let's go ahead and move that. That help me keeps getting in the way. Alright, and now in the top right, I have $9.32. So that's super cool. We can actually do some other unboxings as well, which is probably what I'll go ahead and do with you guys while we're here. Go ahead and spin a couple extra boxes as well. Go ahead and stick around with me and I'll show you guys a little bit of what Beast Box has to offer. Let's spin this up. And a little bit of a disclaimer as well. This video is sponsored by absolutely no one, so it'd be greatly appreciated if you guys hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on Beast Boxes or Hype Drop, Hype Beast, everything with Hype or Beast or anything in it, ThreadBeast even, because you know I'll be doing ThreadBeast unboxings all the time. Let me know what you guys think about all my unboxings in general. And super cool, I just now hit 1,000 subscribers, so I want to appreciate everyone who is watching this video. It's already subscribed. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. I'm getting sidetracked, I'm getting excited. But what we'll do is go ahead and go over here and go to e-boxes. And we'll scope out a little bit of what we got to offer. Got the Nike budget box, Gamers Collection, Rolex or sticker, Xbox lovers. Now we're getting a little bit too high price, so we'll come down a little bit. And I think we'll hit this Nike budget box a couple times and maybe the Bape budget box. Yeah, we'll hit the Bape and the Nike budget box right there. All right, open for $1.19. Let's see what we got. Spin this beast. Woo, let's see. Come on now, come on now. Come on now, are you kidding? Oh, are you kidding? Come on now. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and sell both of these since I just now got those. And give it another spin. See what we get this time. Spin, spin, spin. Alright, spin it around in there. And got another Jordan 4 Motorsport sticker. Look at that. Alright, again. And an orange shoebox sticker this time instead of another sticker. Got that one. Alright, cool. Now let's do it one more time right quick. I'm getting bored with this one. It's like, how many times am I going to get a sticker? It's all I've gotten so far except for that flashlight. So hopefully I end up hitting it big one day from all these free boxes. Sell that one again. And we're going to do this one more time and then we're going to bounce over to the Bape boxes and see what we get over there. Alright, got the Presto sticker. Still again, that's just 20 cents. So like I said, let's go ahead and dip back over and we'll hit the Bape box a few times. Again, $1.19. There's a lot of stuff in this one as well. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I'd be straight with that Bape shirt even. Oh, look, Trippy Bape Ape sticker. sell that. Let's run it up. Tease him. Like, I felt it like drag alongside the I think that's a bait wallet, I'm not sure. But super pimp. Let's see if we can give it 2 more spins. Are you serious? Are you serious? Come on now. Alright, last spin, guys, and this will be the end of the video, so it's coming up on it. Let's get this. Come on now. Psh, the bait camo army sticker. Wouldn't you know it? Wouldn't you know it? Alright, guys, that's what I got so far. Now I got 61 cents remaining, so I don't have anything else to buy, any other boxes or anything, so I guess that's it. I'm going to go ahead and stack some more up, and I'll holler back at you guys some other time. Maybe I'll eventually do some deposits, but I'm really looking forward to hitting up some hype drop boxes as well. So really cool. I just don't know exactly what to do, but figured I'd go ahead and drop this unboxing for you all right now. So I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.